Hello students, in the last lecture we have seen the two problems on the displacement current. Now today we will see some of the equations for electromagnetic waves in any medium. So we have to go through these because these equations are needed if any problem is asked during examinations, because this you have to list out the formulas. So just I go through these formulas. So velocity v, which is nothing but equal to 1 by root of mu into epsilon, that is nothing but equal to omega by beta, right? That is equal to f dot lambda meter per second. So you can simplify and you can make it as omega by beta, or you can make it as f dot lambda. Okay, so this is the value of velocity v. Right, now we go to the propagation constant, that is nothing but gamma, right? So gamma is equal to alpha plus j beta, that can be simplified as root of j omega mu into bracket sigma plus j omega epsilon, that is meter raised to minus 1. So this is equations which have been formulated, and just there is no need to go for the derivation part, just you need to know about the equations, right? So attenuation constant, next alpha is equal to omega root of mu epsilon by 2 into bracket root of 1 plus into bracket sigma by omega epsilon square root complete minus 1 bracket, right? So this is attenuation constant, right? Now next phase constant beta is nothing but mu root of beta is equal to omega root of mu into epsilon divided by 2 into bracket root of 1 plus into bracket sigma divided by omega epsilon square plus 1. So what is the difference between attenuation constant and phase constant is both equations are same. Attenuation constant is measured in terms of alpha, phase constant is measured in terms of beta, and one more difference is attenuation is having a minus sign and minus 1, and here is a plus 1 radian per meter, right? Now intrinsic impedance eta, so eta is equal to root of j omega mu divided by sigma plus j omega epsilon ohms. This is the intrinsic impedance. Now next we go to wavelength, is lambda is equal to 2 pi by beta, or nothing but you can call it as volt per frequency, and np per meter is nothing but Coulomb per meter. So these are the equations for electromagnetic waves in any medium. Now suppose if you want to know the equations for EM waves in free space, right? So these are the equations for EM waves in a free space. For velocity it is v is equal to 1 by root of mu naught epsilon naught is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, that is equal to c. And propagation constant, that is gamma is equal to alpha plus j beta, where alpha will be 0 for free space, therefore equation will become j omega root of mu naught into epsilon naught meter raised to minus 1. And here attenuation constant alpha obviously will be 0. Now again as usual beta will be equal to omega into root of mu naught epsilon naught radian per meter, and intrinsic impedance eta naught will be is equal to root of mu naught divided by epsilon naught, that is evaluated as 377 ohms. Already it has been evaluated by some facts, so it will be 377 ohms. Now wavelength, here it will be 2 pi beta, that is nothing but c by f, that is nothing but meter. So these are the equations for EM waves in any medium or in a general medium. So this in any medium or in a free space. So this you have to list out the equations, because if you want to solve some problems, these equations are needed. Thank you.